Ring doorbell Wi-Fi issues usually stem from weak signal strength, measured as RSSI. If your RSSI is below 70 dBm, your doorbell struggles to maintain a stable connection. Other causes include Wi-Fi interference from other devices, suboptimal router settings, and poor physical placement of your doorbell. We'll explore these issues and how to fix them in the following sections. Wi-Fi interference can disrupt your Ring doorbell's connection. Common sources include overlapping channels, microwave ovens, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks. Use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify less congested channels and switch your router to one of those. Ideally, choose channels 1, 6, or 11 on the 2.4 GHz band. Also, keep your router away from other electronic devices that could cause interference. Several router settings can significantly improve your Ring doorbell's connectivity. Let's explore the key optimizations. First, ensure your router is using the 2.4 GHz band. Ring devices generally perform better on this band due to its longer range and ability to penetrate walls more effectively than 5 GHz. Next, use WPA2 or WPA3 security protocols. These provide stronger encryption and better protection against unauthorized access, ensuring your Ring doorbell connects securely. Third, adjust the channel bandwidth to 20 MHz. This narrower bandwidth offers greater stability and reduces potential interference, improving your Ring doorbell's connection reliability. Finally, enable Quality of Service or QoS on your router. This feature prioritizes your Ring doorbell's traffic, preventing other devices from consuming too much bandwidth and maintaining stable connections. If your Ring doorbell keeps disconnecting, try reconnecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Start by resetting the doorbell. First, reset the doorbell using the Ring app or by holding the reset button for about 20 seconds. Then, bring the doorbell close to your router, within 10 feet, for a strong signal during setup. Now, repair the doorbell through the Ring app to establish the connection. If issues persist, perform a full factory reset using the tools shown, which erases all data and requires complete resetup. The physical placement of your Ring doorbell significantly impacts its Wi-Fi connection. Minimize obstructions like walls and metal objects between the doorbell and the router. Common materials that block Wi-Fi signals include concrete, metal, plaster, and even neighboring networks or appliances. If the distance is too great or there are too many obstacles, invest in a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Place the extender halfway between the router and the doorbell for optimal coverage. Power cycling your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds can also help refresh connections. For persistent connectivity issues, consider upgrading to a mesh network system like Google Nest Wi-Fi or Eero. Mesh networks provide seamless coverage throughout your home, eliminating dead zones and ensuring consistent RSSI. As Wi-Fi 6E adoption increases, future Ring devices may benefit from the less congested 6 GHz band. Keep an eye out for firmware updates that include AI-driven optimizations for dynamic channel hopping and improved signal management. As we wrap up our guide to fixing Ring doorbell Wi-Fi issues, here are the expert tips that can make the biggest difference. First, remember that optimal RSSI is crucial for reliable connectivity. RSSI measures signal strength in decibels per milliwatt, with values above -50 dBm being ideal for stable connections. Use the Ring app to monitor your signal strength regularly. The app provides real-time RSSI readings and device health status, helping you identify when adjustments are needed. Repositioning your router or adding a Wi-Fi extender are often the simplest and most effective solutions. Place your router centrally in your home, away from walls and metal objects, to improve coverage. Keep your Ring doorbell's firmware updated for the latest Wi-Fi stability enhancements. Recent updates include automatic channel switching and improved RSSI monitoring, which can reduce disconnections by up to 30%. By addressing these key factors, monitoring RSSI, optimizing placement, and staying updated, you can significantly improve your Ring doorbell's connectivity and reliability. With consistent application of these tips, most users see a marked reduction in disconnections.